up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, TCL sent me out TCL 20 Pro 5G, and we're gonna unbox it. So first, here's a look around the phone. You can pause it and read it if you want to. I have the gray color. On this side it says TCL 20 Pro 5G. On the top there's their famous slogan, display greatness. On this side another TCL 20 Pro 5G sticker. So not sticker but logo. Let's crack it open. One tab has already been open, I don't know why, but second tab is open. Let's flip it over. Let's see what we get. Sit the top right here for now. There you are greeted with the device right here, but we're going to put that aside for now. Let's see what else you get in the box. So in this part you get your flimsy TPU rubber case that's going to get dirty real fast, so I have another case on the way, so I don't have to worry about that. You get your books that I'm not going to read. Then you also get your Sims ejection tool. Can never have too many of these. And you also get charging cable and your cord, but I have a lot of these already, so as you know me, that's going to stay in the box. So let's put that back. Let's put the top back on the box like so, and let's see what this phone is looking like. Take it right out of the paper. It feels real good already. As you can see, there it has. I don't know how good the camera's, let me see, picking that up, but the punch hole display right there. The 4 cameras that are flesh. The back feels like it's matte. This side is very glossy. It says TCL. You get your USB charging port, a speaker. I think that is your SIM and SD card slot right there. On the top here you get your headphone jack. I believe that's the IR blaster. This side volume up and down, power button, and your, I think that's like a Google Assistant key. So let's power it up for the first time, see if it has any juice. And it has a little bit of juice. So let's see what it looks like, the home screen. We can get it to turn on real quick. Let's turn it on. Let's give it a quick little, let's give it a second. It's taking it a while, but it'll come on eventually. And I want to say thank you, TCL, for sending me out another one of your devices. I really appreciate you for wanting to send me devices. So like I said, there's that punch hole display. You can probably see it a lot better now that the screen is on. And as you see, it says hi there. So let me see if I can skip everything for now and let you see. Well, I guess I can't. So this was just a quick unboxing and a quick turn on of the TCL 20 5G, of the TCL 20 Pro 5G. I'll be back with more videos about this device, so just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.